Welcome to Module 1, Introduction to Data Communication. Today, we embark on a journey to unveil the essential concepts that power our digital lives. What is data communication? In simple terms, it's the exchange of data between devices. Imagine sending an email, browsing the web, or watching a video online. All these actions rely on data flowing through a complex network of interconnected devices. This module will equip you with the fundamental knowledge to navigate this fascinating world. Data versus information. Let's differentiate data from information. Data is like raw materials, unprocessed facts and figures. Information, on the other hand, is the processed and organized data that we can understand and interpret. Data communication plays a vital role in transforming data into meaningful information. Analog versus digital data. Now let's talk about the two primary types of data, analog and digital. Analog data is continuous and variable, like sound waves or images. Digital data, on the other hand, is discrete and quantifiable, consisting of a series of binary digits, zeros and ones. In the world of data communication, digital data reigns supreme due to its efficient transmission and processing capabilities. Channels of communication. But how does data travel between devices? Communication channels are the physical pathways that carry the data flow. We have wired channels like familiar cables and wireless channels that utilize radio waves and satellites. Each channel has its own characteristics, such as bandwidth and transmission speed, which influence the effectiveness of data communication. Key takeaways. In this module, we've covered the fundamentals. Understanding data communication, differentiating data from information, exploring the two types of data, and learning about the channels that carry the data flow. This knowledge forms the foundation for our journey into the fascinating world of data communication. Next steps. But this is just the beginning. In the next module, we'll delve deeper into the importance of data communication in modern society and discover its diverse applications across various sectors. We'll also explore the components of a data communication system and gain a deeper understanding of the technology that connects us all. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. I hope you found this introduction insightful and engaging. Please like this video and share it with others who may be interested in the world of data communication. Subscribe to my channel for more content on this and other fascinating topics. Let's continue our journey together.